In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Windows security not opening. Now, if this doesn't open, what you can do is you can come down here and search for PowerShell, open it as an administrator. Now, once you've done that, you can paste this command. I'll put it in the description. So put this in, press enter and see if it works. Now, if it puts up an error message, what we can try is something else. We can search for Windows security, press on app settings. From in here, what you can do is scroll down. First, click on the reset button, and then it will reset it. So click on the reset button, try and restart your PC and see if it works. Now, if that still doesn't work, what you can do is search for CMD, right click, run as an administrator, and you should have this. From in here, you want to type sfc/scan now. Press enter and it's going to scan your PC. Now, obviously this can take some time, so just wait for this to be 100% and then restart your PC and see if it works now. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.